Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Now I got this call that the AC was not turning on and it was making a buzz, kind of like a buzzy noise. Now it could be several things, but that noise, it comes from the contactor. That's a very unique noise, and that makes me believe that there is something wrong with it, but we're gonna find out. Okay. First of all, I'm gonna leave it on so that way you can see what the problem is. I got the bolts in here already removed, so we're gonna remove it. All right. Okay guys, so yeah, it is the contactor, and I'm gonna tell you what the problem is right away. And I can see, I don't know if you can see the ends right in there, but this is the main problem, guys. Look at that. The contactor is full of dead ends. Ants like that stuff. They like the to get electrocuted. Why? I don't know. Probably because of the heat. But if you notice, look at how many ants. There's a lot of ants there. Ants all over. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, we want to turn off the power on the outside. Why am I still hearing some noise? That's because the contactor on the inside is making contact. All right, so we're gonna turn it off and then we're gonna continue with it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw a little bit of ant killer, and then the most important thing is to put an electrical coil contact cleaner right where the ants are at. Remember to make sure that the breaker is off. Okay, I mean you don't even touch the contact cleaner, but what you want to do is just remove all the ants. The ants, they get stuck in between the contactors, they get burned, they get electrocuted, they suicide themselves, and the contact cleaner will do the trick. Alright, that's all we have to do. Now we have to try it on. Yeah. So now, oh, I think it's on. Oh no, it's not on. It's off. So we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn it on and see what happens. All right. Sometimes it gets so bad that you have to kind of file it there with a file, but this time it seems like we got it, and it's gonna be ready to go. So we'll check it out. Dale. So now you see what kind of damage the ants can do. Listo. So now it's on, and you can see that it's not making any contact before even with power off. So you see that? So now it's on. the AC turned on. Gonna make sure the compressor turns on, and we got it on. Okay. Sí. Lastly, I'm gonna put one of these liquid ant baits, because this ain't gonna stop the ants. They just stopped it temporarily. So what I do is I'm gonna put one of these liquids that attracts the ants, and it prevents them from getting stuck on the okay. So I'm gonna stick it in there. I'm gonna leave it in there, and that's gonna be the prevention. I'm gonna put the cover back on. I'm gonna put the bolts back on, and we're pretty much set. We might want to throw some ant killer all the way around. That's it. Alright guys, so this is the end results. I still got some ants somewhere around there that I want to kill, but the unit is pretty nice, calm, working, noisy, easy, and you save hundreds of bucks. Alright guys, see you in the next video. If you like it, please don't forget to put the thumb up, turn on the bell. Thank you guys.